Hello, Deltonians, and welcome back. So we are going to talk about your last assignment that you're going to take care of before you guys head off to your holiday break. All right. So we are going to start with our code.org stuff. We're going to be doing Unit 1, Lesson 1 through code.org. And you guys will see I've already posted an assignment out on the Teams page. You're going to notice when you open that assignment, there's two things in there now. Okay, one thing is a Word document. That's a worksheet you need to complete. The other thing is a PowerPoint, which you need to complete as well. Okay, once again, guys, the PowerPoint is a template. Use the PowerPoint I'm giving you, just fill it in with your own information. And then when you resubmit that PowerPoint to me, guys, it's going to be a little bit of an easier process. Okay. I noticed that we had some issues with people submitting their PowerPoint and my PowerPoint both to the turn-in box, and that was causing some of the issues, saying your file size was too big. Okay. So you're going to edit the Word document. You're going to edit the PowerPoint that I have put in those turn-in boxes. Okay. So first things first, the PowerPoint is the Unit 1, Lesson 1 PowerPoint. So you're going to do a screen recording presenting your work on slide 4. Talk about your interests, improvements, and problems in technology that you use every day. Also, make sure to present your rapid prototype and explain, okay? There is going to be some reading here, guys. You're going to have to read the words on the worksheet to be able to do the thing, all right? So make sure that you do take care of that. You guys will also notice that there is a hyperlink down here taking you to Unit 1, Lesson 1 in code.org. You're going to have to log in with your own information. First task that you're going to do is you start to click through this worksheet, or excuse me, PowerPoint, to do the worksheet. Is you guys are going to watch the first video through code.org. It's called Computer Science is Changing Everything. There is a link there that takes you to the YouTube link for the video. And then your first task is you're going to list 3 things that stood out in the video. What was cool to you, what was interesting, what was new to you. Okay, type those 3 things in down here. Make sure that you give me a little bit more information than like lights or computers, right? I want an actual statement down there. You guys will also see there's a slide that says Unit 1, Lesson 1 worksheet. Now, I don't need you to put the worksheet into the PowerPoint itself. I just need you to make sure that your worksheet is completed and in the turn-in box. And then finally, just like last assignment, you guys are going to do a screen recording talking about these things. So when you do your screen recording, I would expect you to have your Word document up, the one that you're going to be submitting to the turn-in box. And I want you to talk about a few different things. I want you to talk about your interests. All right. What improvements do you think could be made to the things that you're interested in? And what are some of the problems that exist right now with your interests? Okay. Now, after you've done that part, you're going to go down to the second part, and you're going to look at the ideas that you came up with and think about which one's going to be the most interesting one to everybody else, right? I want you to start to sketch a quick sketch of it. All right. Now, as a rapid prototype, it doesn't need to be perfect. Some of you guys are artists and you're going to draw me a really, really cool picture. Some of you guys, it's going to be really basic and you're just going to explain it to me, right? But there's plenty of ways you can do it. You can draw a sketch on a piece of paper and then insert it in by taking a picture of it, right? You could draw it on Microsoft Paint, or if some of you have drawing tablets or sketch pads or anything like that, you're more than welcome to use those as well. I just would expect a picture to go into this particular slide here, or sorry, this particular part of the Word document. So that wraps up your guys' whole entire Unit 1, Lesson 1. So just a few pieces of work, right? Complete the worksheet, watch the video, give me your reactions to that, and then do a screen recording on the worksheet that you completed, showing off your rapid prototype, as well as your interests, the problems, and some of the things that you think you might be able to improve on them. I hope you guys have a great holiday break. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys when you all get back.